Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's the end of December, December 30th, and we're going to do an update on our pomegranates. I'm in the workshop here and I'm planting up these pomegranates that we grew from seed. Now we're propagating some too, and I'll show you what we've got. But from the seed we had 10. One didn't come up or germinate. One looked awful poor, real stunted, leaves were brown, so we just dumped it, and we kept these 8, and they're doing nice and good. As you can see, plenty of leaves coming on them. We just moved them up into bigger pots, but it looks like we're going to be pretty successful with pomegranates around here. So let's look at the other 2 that's already moved to the greenhouse. And here are the 2 ones that we're propagating. 2 of them have already, they rooted to the sides of their cup, so we potted them up, and they're doing really good. They're out here in the greenhouse, and there's our mango, our big one. This sort of little one, it didn't look so happy. We better move that leaf, get it where it's in a better and of course a lot of figs. But anyway, if you want to follow along on this adventure, well, of course, just hit the subscribe, hit the bell button, and give it a big thumbs up. Enjoy your gardening experience.